Genesis Global Capital has hired investment bank Moelis to explore options including bankruptcy. New York Times. Separately, the CEO of Genesis's parent company disclosed that it had a roughly $575 million liability to Genesis. Genesis Global Capital has hired investment bank Moelis and Company to explore options, including a potential bankruptcy, the New York Times reported, citing three people familiar with the situation. There haven't been any final decisions made and it is still possible for the company to avoid a bankruptcy filing, the report said. Genesis had spent much of November scrambling to raise fresh capital or reach a deal with creditors thanks to its exposure to collapsed crypto exchange FTX. The company's institutional lending unit last week was forced to suspend redemptions and new originations. Genesis also previously disclosed that its derivatives unit had about $175 million in locked funds in its FTX trading account. As a result, parent company Digital Currency Group, DCG, opted to strengthen Genesis's balance sheet with an equity infusion of $140 million. DCG is also the parent company of CoinDesk. Several months ago, Genesis reportedly suffered losses of hundreds of millions of dollars due to loans made to failed crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital. Separately on Tuesday, DCG founder and CEO Barry Silbert disclosed in a note to shareholders that DCG had a roughly $575 million liability to Genesis Global Capital, which is due in May 2023. In recent days, there has been chatter about intercompany loans between Genesis Global Capital and DCG, Silbert wrote. For those unaware, in the follow the URL for the full article. For more on this story, visit the news article link.